Hello everyone, today I am going to unbox Honor 90 Lite version. I got one free earbuds from Honor with this mobile. I will open this one up now and then I'll try to explore this one also. This one is Honor 90 Lite, 256 GB and RAM is 8 GB, titanium silver version, dual SIM. Let's open this one. Nice and slim packaging. I think there is no power brick inside. I'll keep this one aside. This one is the device. Let's see what inside in the box. Then we will see this device again. Now USB SIM, warranty card and bushio, and one SIM ejector tool. That's all. Very simple. They didn't give any power adapter. Yeah, we got this one. Very nice looking phone. It doesn't come out. I will try to remove again. Very slim. Here we got triple camera, 100 megapixel. It's very powerful. And let's see the SIM tray. The SIM tray. This one is only usable with SIM. There is no SD card option, so we can't use any SD card. So no extension. It looks really nice. The back cover. Let's open these earbuds which we got with this phone. This one is a gift with this phone, the launching gift. Let's open this one. Earbuds from Honor. Let's see what inside the box. It's very simple. There is nothing, no power bricks, no power cable, only warranty card and I think this one is in manual. Yeah, let's keep aside and see these earbuds. Nice looking. Here is one button. We got an USB-C charging port. And here is the earbuds. The head of the earbuds is little bit copy from, I think it's copy from Apple. Only the top. You can see the earbuds. Nice engineering from Honor. Honor is getting Google updates, so they are getting popular in Europe. And this phone is priced 299 euros in Europe, and we are getting these earbuds free with this one, so it's a nice combination. I will try to make another video so where I can show you the functions, the camera, and I will try to review these earbuds from Honor, how the sound quality. It will come in another video. So thank you for watching, and please subscribe my channel.